Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to install and run C in Visual Studio Code. Before we get into it, if this video helps you out, don't forget to drop a like. It really supports us. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to open Visual Studio Code on your system. Once you have Visual Studio Code up, the first thing you want to do is install the C or C++ extension. Head over to the extensions view by clicking on the square icon in the sidebar. Type C or C++ in the search bar and install the one by Microsoft. This extension is essential for C programming, offering features like IntelliSense, debugging, and code browsing. Next up, let's create a new file for your C code. Navigate to the top menu, select File, and then New File. As soon as you've got your new file, save it with a .c extension. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+S on Windows and Linux, or Command+S on macOS, and naming your file with a .c at the end. Now it's time to write your C program. Visual Studio Code, with its newly added C capabilities, will make your coding process smoother with features like syntax highlighting and smart completions. Once your code is ready, you'll need a compiler to run it. If you don't have a C compiler installed, you'll need to install one. For Windows, MinGW is a popular choice, and for macOS and Linux, GCC is typically used. Follow the installation instructions for your specific compiler. After installing the compiler, it's time to run your C program. Open the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code by going to the top menu, clicking on Terminal, and then selecting New Terminal. In the terminal, you'll compile your C program using the command specific to your compiler. For GCC, that would be gcc.yourfilename -o your filename. After compiling, run your executable by typing /yourfilename in the terminal. And there you go. Your C program should now be running. And that's it. You're all set to develop and run C programs in Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Happy coding, and see you in our next tutorial.